We have the Q&A in the SG.
It's an SG.
Okay. Hello everybody.
Shut the fuck up. Yeah, okay. Our questions.
Wait, so are we starting?
Yeah, it's already started.
Welcome back to the SGFN podcast.
Yeah.
Come on, boys. Energy in the building.
SGFN.
SGFN, hell yeah.
A member of SGFN Ahil is with us right now. Ahil, do you have some kind words to say?
Yeah, I would like to thank my friends Tanav, Sanjeev, Sathik, Aryaman and myself. I would also like to thank my family for giving me an opportunity to be...
Yeah, and I would like to thank Ahil.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
I would also like to thank Ahil. He's pretty cool.
Ahil, I don't thank you, man.
Tanav, would you like to thank Ahil?
Yeah, Ahil.
Okay, on that note, moving on.
Okay, let's get today's section. We have a Q&A. Maybe.
Maybe.
तू जानता भी है
Slip of tongue, she. None of the above.
Tanav is talking about how gay he is. He's attracted to boys. Brother, just check the starter, man.
Yeah, that's in jail media.
21st.
That's all this is.
Here, bro.
Okay, so everyone is going to drop at the school. Anyone is going in between?
Ma'am, if my apartment comes in between, I'll go.
I speak with your dad, but the problem is we are not going that side.
Pause. Okay, that's human.
Me and Dhruv.
Okay.
Question one. Can we pause?
Tanav said it.
Oh no, cancel pause. Okay, that's human.
Okay, let's can we?
Get the questions up?
Yeah.
No starting over.
Okay, everybody, shush. Hey. Gentlemen. Okay, first question. Who is most likely to wake up late? Wait. Can we clarify? Is this just us five or all SG?
I'd say let's just keep it just us.
Just us five. Who is most likely to wake up late?
Aryaman.
I vote Satvik.
I would Tanav.
I'll be getting down though, you know that, right?
Yeah, I think this is tied for me and Aryaman.
Yeah, there's a tie between me and Satvik.
Excuse me, who are you voting for?
Me, Satvik.
I'm voting for Aryaman.
I'm voting for Aryaman.
Satvik.
No, you know what? I changed my mind. I hate Sathik. I'm voting for Aryaman.
That's it.
Fair enough.
Aryaman, Satvik, and Tanav.
It's tied.
Okay.
We should and then whoever faints first, that person's the loser, right?
Sorry. I thought you'd close your lips. I thought you'd at least just kiss it. Why the fuck did you have my teeth? Okay, so it's a tiebreaker. So to decide, you guys have to play verbal rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, I choose papers.
I choose rock.
Okay, so Aryaman is most likely. Aryaman, by the way, Aryaman is not most likely to wake up late here.
Bro, I'm the lucky to wake up late. I mean, I woke up at like 8:30 today.
Next is who is most likely to forget their
I vote
homework?
Sanjeev.
I'm with myself.
What a question.
Okay.
I'm at Aryaman.
So where is it?
I vote Sanjeev.
Oh, this is bro code.
What is a beer?
वही मैं सोचूं ये देखा है
Hey, shut the fuck up. Who is most likely to forget their homework?
homework.
Yeah,
और I'm very consistent. Out of whom?
out of us five.
Us 5. Homework.
Yeah, we know
Oh fuck, this is a tough one, bro.
right after the bridge. You know the road.
Yeah.
Yeah, somewhere or the other.
Okay.
Going that same road.
Okay, I'd vote me.
Yeah, okay. 2 votes for Sanjeev, 1 vote for Aryaman, 1 vote for...
Aryaman.
2 votes for Aryaman. Sanjeev and Aryaman, tiebreaker.
Yeah, he votes for Aryaman.
Tanav votes for?
Because I saw Sanjeev every time get homework, so I'm saying Aryaman.
Okay, Aryaman wins.
I don't know
Who is most likely...
what was the question. Who gets homework or doesn't?
Who is most likely to forget their homework?
Yeah.
Out of us five, it's me.
But we always got homework.
No, I keep forgetting it.
We every day got.
Yeah, I kind of bullshit about it.
But we got.
Okay, moving on.
Yeah,
Who is most likely to laugh at the wrong moment?
laugh out.
Sanjeev.
Wait, no, I want to see the question.
Okay.
Oh yeah, definitely Sanjeev.
Yeah, this is Sanjeev.
My name is Sanjeev. I'd like to attest this. This is no. Hold on. If you know me, I'm not gonna laugh when someone is fucking getting cremated. That is not the thing I laugh
Okay,
at.
moving on to
Oh, he laughed in the middle of an exam today, by the way.
Okay, Sanjeev.
Yeah, okay, Sanjeev, you're gonna.
So you pick what you want.
What's the question?
You are you not listening?
Cremated something.
Motherfucker.
Okay, you know what? Let's just burn that up. Okay, now fuck you.
Who is most likely to become famous one day?
Tanav.
Yeah, definitely Tanav.
I vote for Tanav too.
Tanav.
I vote Sanjeev.
Okay,
Tanav
pity
wins.
votes aside, Tanav wins that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Who is most likely to help others first?
Okay.
Right.
Tanav.
That's actually hard.
Yeah, this is a hard one.
Okay, I'd say Ahil because I've had more personal help from Ahil. So
I'd say Sanjeev.
Who's helped me the most is like Tanav or Sathik. Sathik.
Pick one. Okay, Tanav.
Sanjeev.
Okay, 2 votes for Sanjeev. Sanjeev wins.
Why is it a dead podcast?
I don't know.
Where's the energy?
These questions are kind of shit now.
These questions are kind of strange.
Hey, go to the spicy section, bro.
Yeah, let's do the spicy. Let's do the spicy section.
Okay.
Adult card games in which you have to your t-shirt and all that.
Shit and all.
Here's spicy but non-explicit. Who is most likely to put 2 questions to set the mood? Fire emoji.
Oh.
Who is most likely to?
Okay. Who is most who is most likely to flirt their way out of trouble?
Oh yeah.
I love the ads.
No comments.
बीच में गाना
No, you have to comment.
no, you have to
You have
go.
to
Yeah.
comment.
Out of us, who is most likely to flirt with their opponent? With their
You can take it kind of मैं क्या करूँगी तुम्हारा भाई?
Say.
So, I'll want to
Okay,
say
it's not you both for sure.
That I don't know. It's been a long time.
Yeah, do elimination.
Sanjeev.
Okay, it's definitely Tanav. He has the most charisma out of all of us.
What? I can't
I'm gonna vote for Ahil because Ahil.
This is Tanav, by the way. You have to flirt your way out of trouble.
Flirt your way out of trouble. Sanjeev.
Guys, what is going on here?
Okay, I changed my vote to Tanav.
I have no charisma, guys.
I changed. He was trying to do it.
Oh,
He was trying to do
this is
it.
Tanav.
He was trying to do
This
it.
is Tanav.
This is Tanav.
Sensual with the Sanjeev.
What a
The question is, who is most likely to?
it's Tanav.
You were trying to do it.
Way. He's
Yeah.
flirting his way out of stuff.
Yeah.
I know.
Okay, next one.
I didn't mean that.
Who is most likely to catch feelings first? Ooh.
Okay.
Wait. What do you
Everyone.
mean? There's like 5 people here.
Everyone.
Don't fucking
Yeah, everyone will catch me.
This question makes more.
No.
This question makes no sense.
Okay, who would like someone first out of all 5 of us? Let's start with Ahil.
Sorry. Wait, what?
So you're gonna like someone, okay?
Okay.
Who's the first person to like someone?
Sathik.
I know who.
No, I don't know who I'm gonna say. It could be anyone.
I can dox you on the podcast. Yeah.
Yeah, I can dox you on the podcast.
Who-
Yeah.
Okay.
You live in India?
Oh, I think this guy right here. I think his name is Sanjeev. Like.
Wait, I think his full name is Sanjeev Kumar, like the actor that died years ago.
Okay, Aryan, who you?
Right, what's the question?
You're deflecting. It's on the screen.
Oh, my bad. Is it on the ring?
Who is most likely to like someone first?
Okay. Yeah, Sanjeev.
What do you?
Okay, I'm gonna vote for Tanav.
No, I'm voting for Sathik. This is Sathik.
Who's gonna like someone first?
I have a crush on someone.
First, Sathik.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll win this switch out.
No. Let's do it.
No. Okay. Hey.
Next level of discussion. This is written here. Who is most likely to like a teacher first?
Hey. Moving on.
No. Who is
cancel.
most likely to like a teacher first?
Cancel.
No, not cancel.
No, I disagree.
No. I'm holding the phone.
No, I think it's Tanav.
Okay.
No, you have to comment here.
No comments.
Okay, no comment is fine.
Wait, no comment.
No comment is fine.
Oh, okay. I have no comment.
No comment?
No comment.
Yeah.
Sathik.
Yeah, okay,
Sathik
moving
wins.
on. Completely unnecessary.
But what? He's going to park in Hormo. What will I do?
Okay.
He parks in Hormo every day.
Who is most likely to make the first move?
Okay. Let's say there are two people that like each other. Okay, who's gonna make the first move? Like who's gonna?
Oh, okay.
Bro, wait, do I show one of my edits which I made? No, Samuel, shut the fuck up.
Okay, I would say Sanjeev.
Yeah, I agree, Sanjeev.
I think it's nobody over here.
Yeah, it is nobody, but mostly.
This is actually like nobody over here.
Yeah.
I don't think anybody. It's definitely not me. It's definitely not Sanjeev or Tanav. I'm gonna vote for Aryaman by process of elimination.
Why not Ahil?
I'd-
Why not Ahil?
I feel like Ahil wouldn't be.
I'd vote for Sathik for the person in question.
I vote for Sajid for that person.
Don't copy my answer. Tanav's vote does not count. Okay, it's Sathik and me. Okay, now we have to do verbal rock paper scissors.
$400.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
Okay. Paper.
Scissors.
I win.
Yeah, you did this too.
No, I did this.
You did this.
I did.
You guys are not able to. Okay, for the audio listeners, Sanjeev and Sathik are arguing about like finger gestures that they were doing.
Okay. Next finger goes up the bum. Okay.
Okay, go.
Now, 3, 2. Okay, 3, 2. 1. Oh, dude, that's insane. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Rock, scissors, paper, rock.
Paper.
Sathik clearly wins. So Sathik is.
Okay, Sathik, you get all the ladies. I understand.
Oh my god.
Next question is Oh, by the way, you misread the first question. You misread that question and made it better actually.
Which one?
After one night.
Oh no, I skipped that one.
Okay. Who is most likely to text their crush at 2 a.m.?
Literally no one.
Definitely not. No. Okay. Who's most likely to have a secret admirer? Secret admirer. Who is most likely to have one? I have an answer.
You secretly admire someone. You secretly admire someone. That's
No,
what.
someone secretly admires this person.
Who is that person?
Okay. Definitely Sathik, right? Yeah, that should be Sathik.
I think Sanjeev.
I think Sathik.
Secret admirer.
Like someone secretly likes them.
Secretly likes them. Likes whom?
That person.
Who is the person?
You like me, na? Sanjeev.
That's
That's
not a
secret.
secret.
Is that a secret?
Oh, secret.
Like some girl secretly likes Sathik.
Oh, Sathik.
Oh shit! Oh wait, Okay, Sathik wins.
Okay. Who is most like? Okay, no, that's no.
No, what is it?
Who's that? Okay, someone that No. Who is most likely to be dominant in a relationship?
I have an answer.
I have an answer also.
So what was the question?
Who is most likely to be dominating in a relationship?
Dominated.
Oh,
Dominating.
dominating.
Oh, dominating.
Dominated or dominating? Dominating.
Yes.
Yes.
Wait, I have no answer now.
I can say for dominated.
I don't know.
Everyone knows for dominated. What's for dominating?
Dominating.
I'm not so gullible.
Sathik.
I moved to throw you off, but that's not your opinion. Think of something.
Okay.
That's right.
Sanjeev.
This is actually
There's no right answer. There's actually no right answer. Okay, there's only a wrong answer and that's Tanav.
Yeah, Tanav is. Yeah.
Is there anyone else?
Yeah, I think this is not a good question. It's just gonna be like a rock paper scissors at this point.
Wait, metro station.
Metro station.
Ma'am.
Oh, come on, stage.
Who is? Okay, no. Yeah, I think we're done with this right now. We need a new section.
Okay.
Tanav, you're staying with us.
I'm going.
I'll beat you up.
I'm going. Home.
I'll beat you up.
Is it place?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, new segment.
Sure. Hey, Shrey.
Okay, new.
Hey. Imposter, you're going. You must word.
Imposter?
Imposter.
Imposter.
Yeah, we're playing that game, the word game.
Oh, the guy, the poster of the guy.
Oh, the guy, no.
Oh, the guy, Ahil, the guy.
Which guy?
Oh, you know that guy. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
You're the god. Tell them.
Yeah.
Where the guy?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, where's that phone?
Okay, yeah, here it is. Okay, new.
Vote to everyone category out now.
Yeah.
Okay. New segment, imposter. Yeah.
This one's got that shit, so stuff.
no.
Grayscale.
No. I don't want to make it.
Me and you, Ahil.
Hi guys.
Okay, Ahil, do you think Michael Jackson was involved in the Epstein case?
I don't think so. I think
Yeah.
he's a good guy.
Yeah.
And the photo, his photo that was released, right?
Yeah.
That actually contained a photo of him, his wife, and his kids. But then they redacted his kids, right?
Oh yeah, hold on.
Right, which is pretty evil, making him look like a pedophile, right? Yeah.
Do you think do you think Epstein was evil or not?
I think so. He's evil, but then I also feel sad for him.
Yeah, I think Ahil feels bad.
You really did a video on Epstein.
Actually, Jew.
My sister was putting it also.
She was putting Epstein?
Yeah, like he made a video on what's Epstein files.
Yeah. Tanav, who's your favorite pedophile?
I don't like pedophiles. That's a trick
I do.
question, huh?
No. Who's your favorite pedophile? I know my favorite pedophile. Who's yours?
Drake. Then
Oh, Drake is yours.
no, I don't.
He's not even a pedo. So.
I don't have favorite pedophile. I'm pedophile. Sorry.
Okay, with that astounding confession.
Okay, no, wait, hold on. No. Now Shay needs to tell everyone what he told everyone, and that one person.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Narrate what you did.
So the word is ball. I give somebody bat.
So the category is
Categories?
shape.
Shape. Okay.
Okay, who? What's the order?
Daksh, come here.
Tanav will start.
Tanav will start.
Spherical.
This takes.
Spherical.
With that wonderful.
Okay, this takes elite ball knowledge test.
Okay, that's correct. What? Okay, body part.
Okay, now you fucked it.
No, wait, what?
I said test. He said body part. Wow, I wonder what body part it is.
Yeah, I wonder.
I wonder what it is.
Yeah, what did I say? Let me think. Steel.
Beering. What? Beering. Guys, you don't know, guys.
Bearing.
I think there might not be an imposter here.
I think it's Tanav. What the fuck is spherical, man?
What happened?
He went first and he
It
got
is
it
spherical.
right.
He said the category was shape. He said the category was shape. Of course, you could have guessed spherical, man.
But the thing is spherical only, na?
Think about it.
That body part is spherical.
Why would you start
Okay. See, I have another issue that of who I think it is, and I think it's Satvik, because
It's not me.
no, I have a bit of a feeling, because it could be that his excitement for my answer was a bit over exaggerated.
Yeah.
And another thing is he didn't understand when Shay kept telling him. I wonder why that is.
Yeah, because he said like.
Well, ball.
Okay, it's not Tanav for sure.
The word is quite easy to say.
No. He said butt and then he said ball. Shit. That's what he said.
What's the word?
He
Balls.
said butt twice and then he said balls once.
Who's the imposter?
Wait, no. We have to
So
think.
like I legitimately, I think he meant to make me the imposter, but then he just told me the actual word and now there's no imposter.
Then who's the imposter?
I think there's no imposter.
I think it's okay. No. Because of that, now I know who it is.
Aryaman.
I don't know. Bye, Dhruv.
Bye guys.
Wait, what's the argument for everyone? It can't be Tanav for sure.
I think it's Tanav. Wait, is it still recording? By the way?
It's still recording.
Okay. I see. The reason it could be Tanav is because Shay said the category is shape, and he said spherical,
Okay.
which is quite a terrible answer.
But Shrey said to start with Tanav. Why would he start with the imposter?
You can.
To make it seem more, to make it.
You
to-
can.
to
That's
be
not a valid
fair,
argument.
from him.
That's not a valid argument.
I'm not the imposter this time.
I think that there is no imposter.
No. Okay.
No, wait, Ashrey, there's definitely an imposter.
Sure,
No.
sure, there is an imposter. You told one person a different thing.
Okay.
No.
Not yet.
For me, it's either Satvik or Tanav. Yeah.
I mean, I feel like Satvik, because why would you start with Tanav? I still feel like that.
Oh, come on. Okay.
I know.
I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna skip for them because I don't think
You have
there's
to
an
answer.
imposter.
There is an
Okay.
You confirmed it.
I'm gonna say Ahil because he would have guessed it by the time it came to him.
Satvik. I think it's Satvik. I think it's Satvik or Tanav. I'm voting Satvik.
I'm voting Satvik.
Okay, never mind. I'm switching my vote to Tanav.
Okay.
I used to love this kind of
Satvik.
videos.
Okay. So Tanav. Wait. Okay. How many votes did Tanav get? Raise your hand if you voted Tanav.
No.
You know what? I'm gonna switch to Tanav.
You can't switch like that.
She might not be. I think. I'll give Salvi.
Okay. Who all voted for Ahil? Aryaman.
What did you say?
Yeah.
Everyone voted for a different person. We have to agree on something.
Okay, Satvik. We'll feel like you're Satvik.
Satvik, yeah.
Okay. Let's restart.
Satvik.
I mean, I said Satvik. So.
I'm gonna say Tanav.
You just changed it because Satvik.
I think it's Tanav.
Satvik.
I think it's Tanav.
3-2 to me. I was.
It's
not-
3-2 to Tanav.
No, you two voted for Tanav.
Are you,
Those two
why do you
voted
guys?
for Satvik.
Okay.
Those two.
Okay. Shay.
Shrey.
Hey, Shay. Who was
We
the
voted out Tanav.
Huh?
We voted out. No, we voted Satvik.
Satvik.
Yeah.
Who was the imposter?
Okay.
Continue, no.
Is it Tanav?
No, it's over.
Hey, play until you figure
Okay.
No, but it's the same word now.
Wait,
Everyone knows.
Everyone knows it.
Aryaman was the imposter.
I told him.
I knew it.
Word was bad.
Tanav, what the hell is spherical, man? Spherical is
spherical?
That is such a bad answer.
He
He
told
said
shape.
shape and you said spherical.
What is
It's
imposter,
shape.
right? Not
It's
any other
spherical
word.
shape, no?
You told him bad. You're supposed to say it's impossible.
And why are people do test and all?
We've done this episode. You told me butt 2 times and then said balls. So what?
No. I was saying bad tea, but I thought he heard it. That's why I gave you also. I was going to.
I didn't hear it.
Arey, but he told shape, and that is spherical.
Why do you? He said spherical.
Spherical is such a bad answer.
What's the word?
That's
Shape?
such a bad answer. Yeah.
He told shape.
Spherical. He said the category is shape, man.
Then you have to
If
answer
I was
that.
the imposter, I would have said spherical or
You
rectangular.
should
or
have
some
said
shape.
rectangle. If you said rectangle, then you voted.
Spherical is
Yeah, I
such a
always
shit
get voted out.
answer.
I would have done anything. I would have get voted out.
I knew it wasn't
horrible
Tanav,
answer.
but I had to try to save
Why did
myself somehow.
he switched?
I said body part.
Oh,
Yeah, I said test.
body part and spherical. You're saying it's not.
Okay.
Test
you must
isn't-
have thought that you got what the
Test
I
isn't
voted
close
for
enough for me to be able to get.
Oh,
I took like 10 seconds to figure out what he meant. Like
What did
even
you say?
after he's like even knowing what it
Then you
was.
figured out what the word was.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. So test body part. What is the word? Okay. Let's
Spherical, but
do imposter, but it's a person. Imposter, but the word is a person, not an object.
What category?
Okay. So the word has to be a person. Okay.
You have to say imposter.
Okay.
Don't say
no word, just imposter.
Can you give someone famous actor? I don't know many famous.
no. Person as in. Let's see in our class.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we should do that. Do you remember me, you, and Thanos?
Yeah,
playing
yeah,
that
we
call?
can do that,
We should
yeah.
do that also.
Oh, that is so fun.
One time, me, Thanos, and no. I'll explain the rules after. We'll play it. Niche person in our class.
It's going to
Okay.
wants to be like Yash or something.
I bet it's like Atharva.
See, you can't say it. See? Louder.
Okay.
It's like someone can't say anything.
Tell me also the word.
No. Just that's fine. It's too much. Alright.
What category?
I have. Okay, now talk to the.
But what category should I give you people?
We know it's person.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
The word is Sanjay. Let's see what category you have to give.
Okay, so what category? What category?
The category is just person. Okay, so who should start? What's the order? Let's start from Ahil.
Tall.
Okay.
Can we evict?
Okay.
So small.
Ahil. There's.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna say those who.
Yeah, you're gone, buddy. Buddy, you've had a rocker, buddy. I'm gonna say.
Yeah, I've seen so
Okay, I'm gonna say brown.
I'm gonna say sexy.
Okay. Sounds like you've had a rocker. Okay, wait. Okay, can you guess who it is?
What?
Can you guess who it is with just from my answers? We know you're the imposter, but
Okay. Wait, but what did you say?
What did she say?
I said Ahil.
brown.
Mommy.
He said sex, that means it's you. What?
Brown? Brown suit?
Oh, Sanjay. Yeah.
Tall?
Why did he say? Oh, okay. Oh, I did not.
Because
get
you know
that.
he sends a stupid reel and says
No,
Ahil.
he said. I heard tall.
Okay.
You said tall.
So we voted out Satvik. Who was the imposter?
Tall, like what? Tall. What?
It was Satvik. Oh, what was the word?
Sanjay.
Oh.
What is Satvik word?
Imposter.
Okay. We'll pause the recording. I'll explain the rules of the new game and then. Wait. Let's decide. Pause.
Okay, pause.
Okay, think of a person that we know. Okay, start.
That's gonna be too easy.
Whisper it.
Because you all know any person
Oh,
that's.
so we have to within 5 questions.
Hey, that's so easy.
Wait, what are the teams? Okay,
Hey, no, that's so easy actually. Let's be a famous person.
Okay, fine. Famous person. I'm down with famous person.
Famous person.
I guess 5 questions.
What's it be like Epstein?
I'll pause.
No,
Have to think, na?
Okay, pause. Yeah, you're whispering. Okay, we start.
Fine, guys, we're starting.
Okay. So,
you guys ask
who wants to start?
You guys.
Yeah, we start.
Okay,
we
so
start.
should we ask entertainment industry?
Yeah,
Okay, is the person in the entertainment industry?
Yes.
Pause it. Okay.
Sorry. Okay. Is he in the Epstein files?
Is he in the.
Is he accused? Or does he have a picture with Epstein?
Is he in
Okay,
the
yeah, does he have a picture?
Yeah, I'm checking. Because this is a tricky question.
Tricky question. Okay. That must be this like.
Because I don't know if he's in Epstein. Na? Epstein file.
No. Did he take a picture with us?
Okay.
Okay, I mean it's like.
Wait, tell exact question. Did he take picture with Epstein?
Yes.
That's not a good question though.
That's all good.
That's a terrible question.
Unless it's like specific.
Unless it's like unless the guy is literally Michael Jackson. you're
Michael
kind of
Jackson or
bored.
Donald Trump, then you.
Yeah, you're kind of.
Or Bill Clinton. No, that's why you got all 3 people. Okay, do that.
No. Jeffrey Epstein, na?
Yeah.
Okay.
No
Yeah.
picture with Jeffrey Epstein.
And he's in the entertainment industry.
In the entertainment industry.
Wait, how many?
So entertainment industry.
We get 5 questions.
Okay, just to clarify,
Yeah.
entertainment industry means either an actor, performer,
Yeah.
or a streamer or something. Okay.
Actor, performer, and most of also.
Just
Actor, performer, streamer, podcast, YouTube,
that.
music,
Fine.
anything like that. Entertainment.
Are they any of those? That's what we're clarifying.
Yeah, they're in entertainment. No.
They're entertainment, but not like exactly like. Not.
Okay, Google is the person in the entertainment industry if it comes up.
Okay, fine. Like he's not any.
Why
of
didn't you
what
clarify this before?
But he is in and it is in. What? Man, don't confuse the god.
it's a god.
You're telling like only those. In what you told and those, it's not there.
It's not.
Okay, it's not any of those.
Tanu does not know that in the office.
Yeah. Correct. He's in entertainment. That is correct.
Okay, he's in
Yeah, okay.
entertainment.
Okay, he is.
He is in entertainment only.
You want to talk sports?
Wait, you guys did tell
I think it's more likely to be an actor or a streamer. Okay, let's say YouTuber because
I think streamer.
because most YouTubers are streamers too. Aisha Speed is a YouTuber and a streamer. Kai Cenat is a YouTuber.
And it can be girl also, na?
Okay, I'm just telling you.
Maybe I'm trying to make you.
I think YouTuber is a lot broader.
Yeah, but there's streamers who aren't YouTubers. So.
I don't think there's any that you would say.
Okay, is
He's
he
a
like
YouTube
a-
shorts guy. No, it's our question.
Right,
man.
so-
Hold
yeah,
on,
no,
hold on.
Okay, YouTuber, sure.
Huh?
YouTube. Is
Okay.
this person a YouTuber?
Is this person? Does he have a YouTube channel?
No, is he
Is he famous for YouTube?
No, he's not famous for YouTube.
No, but okay.
Like his own YouTube, no.
To
Like
clar-
that. Means you're saying is he famous for his own YouTube?
Yeah. No, he understands what I mean. It's not,
Yeah.
It's not.
Yeah.
He's not a YouTuber.
Yeah, he's not a
famous for
YouTuber. He's not a YouTuber.
Would you say Aisha Speed is famous for YouTuber?
Yeah.
Okay then.
Yeah, he's not famous for YouTube.
I mean, like if it's like a sports person or something, then they'll have like.
Well, it's actually
clip
tough.
channels.
It's
It'll be
actually
like
tough.
clip channels or something.
That's true.
His occupation is only tough.
Okay,
His
wait.
shit-
Okay, so thus far the questions were: is he in the entertainment Epstein files, and then is he a YouTuber?
Yeah.
Okay,
Not a YouTuber.
We get 5 questions each.
not a
You have to-
YouTuber.
You have.
Oh, once they're okay, whoever is like once
Yeah.
they're done with their 5 questions, then we both can guess.
Okay.
Okay.
No, whoever guesses the first one.
This is actually tough. This is actually tough. If anyone gets this, is actually
Yes,
tough.
yes.
And I gave so many hints also already, like extra hints.
You didn't give nothing. You just said it's a guy.
I one more
Okay,
gave now.
is he from the West, like America, Europe, all that?
One second.
Where would you draw the line? If someone is from
What is the
Russia,
best
would you say
line?
west or the east?
What?
I'd say that's more east.
If someone's from Russia, would you say west or the east?
I think that's east.
Yeah, I'd say East.
What about Ukraine?
Okay, you're
That's
saying
also
exact
East.
west.
Eastern Europe.
Are you asking
That's the
only
line.
west?
Eastern Europe and
Only
Western
west you're
Europe.
asking?
West as
Yeah.
in west of Eastern Europe.
West of?
Eastern.
Where is
No,
this
no.
country from?
Western
Where is this
Europe.
country from west?
Yeah.
Do you know the map?
No, that's what I
This guy does not know anybody from Russia or Ukraine or something. This guy. You do the west.
I can
No,
he
no,
knows Putin.
not from the west.
Not from the West.
Not from the west.
Not from the West.
If it's India, then
So
you
it's
would
a
need to
fucking
search.
Indian. No. He's using this. You think this guy?
I think he
Yeah,
could be
ask
thrown
him.
off. He could be thrown off.
He, of course, he's throwing off.
Okay.
No, he's not that stupid. No.
I don't want
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Now my guardian is her mom is my guardian. Her mom is my guardian.
Okay, it's an Indian.
It has to be. I'm thinking Krish Kapoor. Early on, Krish Kapoor.
It
I
should be
think
a real
'cause I-
person. It should be the real person.
Krish Kapoor is a real.
Not a real person.
Wait, what's the actor name?
I don't know.
Wait, it's a.
Ma'am, every time we got down there only. That's why.
Wait, to confirm, it is a real person.
It's a real person.
Not
It's
a
not like
fictional
Krish
character.
Kapoor or something.
Nah, it's a real name person.
It's not the Krish Kapoor actor because I don't know who it is.
No.
Okay.
And then everyone knows
Let's ask
that
for
a
Indian.
person who everyone knows.
That's right.
Huh?
He said it's not Western, meaning it's not anything over there. It has to be an Indian, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's almost
And
guaranteed.
wait,
We shouldn't
Western.
ask that actually.
Hey, Western means not Western. Not Western.
Like
Yeah,
not
we know
America,
what-
Europe, South America, Africa. No.
But I asked on Google. It's saying no.
Okay, that's what West means though.
No, but
Could
in
be
this-
African.
No, but in this West is not California.
Who the fuck does he know from Africa?
In this
Yes,
West is West is different.
he's not a YouTuber
They're showing
now.
different. In this West.
Okay,
they're
what did they think the West is?
no, means they are including.
Okay, assuming he's not bugging out, it has to be. Indian.
Only US are including. Only the US and South America. That only they're including for the West.
Are their question
Ask them, are
included
they
you
from
though?
Europe then?
But in this they didn't know. That's what I'm
Okay,
saying.
Their
so ask
question
them, are they
included
from
from you
Europe?
though. Is this person from Europe or not?
Okay, just say, are they from Europe?
Yeah, he's from Europe.
Motherfucker.
But then he asked from West. Then I said West. Then this guy is only saying not from West. Google is only saying what do I say?
My mom told for you, but then mom said to go.
Okay. I will have to call.
Okay, good. Tom staying with us till school.
Hey, I'm
Yeah.
coming. First you guess the person.
Yeah, just say the
If you
show.
guess the person, I'll stay.
No.
Okay, this
Okay, it's
person
a
is
European,
useless.
so we know it's a European,
Yeah.
which
This
means
guy's useless.
But what usually is it? Google.
it's not Russia.
I can show you proof. In Google it
I'd say it's not. I would, unless it's like-
Entertainment industry. I think it might be.
Ma'am, I called.
Wait, should we ask if he's known for English
Ma'am,
content?
they allowed.
Huh?
If he's known for like English
They allowed.
content?
Yeah.
He's from Europe.
Tana wouldn't know
call
anybody
her.
who's not known from English content.
Ma'am, phone I called.
He's from
Sanjay's
Europe.
phone I called.
That's what
Yeah, ma'am, he called.
Yeah, from Europe.
So,
Uh,
Europe.
I
What did you
think
say?
I think it's either an actor or a sports person.
Okay, should we ask
But
him
I
if
just
it's
told
an
you the country, bro. Oh my god.
Guys,
Oh, that's a continent.
What's the AQI? 67.
actor? Yo, dude, that's dirty, man. Okay, actor. Okay, should we ask for a sports person or actor? What do you think? I think no. He said entertainment industry.
Yes, sports person counts.
So we know it's an
huh?
actor. Okay, in your definition of entertainment industry, does sports person count?
Sports person you can count, yeah. Let's count.
I think it's a sports person.
Yeah, because I don't think anyone else would ask.
And it's someone that I think it's I don't know.
Someone that
cricket.
Tana knows.
I think it's not.
But
You know,
it's
someone
actually
that
very
all of,
tricky.
it's someone that all of us.
Who? I think it's a sports person.
Okay, if you think it's a sports person, what can we ask that can narrow down from a sports person?
Cricket player.
Okay, is it a cricket player?
Pakka, that's a question.
Yeah.
Nah.
Oh, he's from Europe, right?
Could be like an English cricket
Excuse
player.
me, British?
Yeah, I know.
No, but this is actually tricky.
Is it recording? Okay, it is.
But you get shocked.
Okay, so the question is, we'll ask, is he more known? Is he an older person? Is he known for his older works or his newer works?
Okay.
How do you say this? How do you say it properly? How do
I
you
know how
say
he has to answer it in yes no. Tanav, you have to answer it in yes no, right?
Yeah.
Okay, he has to answer it in yes
Okay,
no.
fine. Yeah.
Okay, is he known for his new
it? Okay, Tanav.
Yes, sir.
Oh no.
Speak to your parents.
You want to speak?
Huh?
1 second.
Okay.
Daksh.
Okay, we can pause.
Pause.
No, we'll have an interlude conversation.
Yeah,
you decide
no,
your
it's fine. We'll have.
Okay guys, you
Interlude
think
conversation.
Jeffrey Epstein did he deserve the hate?
I think Ahil feels bad for Epstein, so he's trying to assuage his guilty conscience because Ahil killed Epstein in prison.
Okay, I have a different theory.
I was there. I saw him do it. I saw him choke the life out of out of Epstein's cold, dead eyes.
My fault. I didn't check it.
Okay, I have a different theory. I think Ahil was on the Epstein Island, but he was a double agent.
Was Ahil molested or was he a molestee? Was he a molester? Was he molested?
I think he was a molestee as a double agent for Epstein. What? No, for the government, not for the.
So he willingly volunteered to get molested on Epstein's Island as a
No.
double agent for the government.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Oh, that
exactly.
works. So then he killed Epstein out of revenge.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, sorry, what happened?
Okay, so
So Ahil was molested on Epstein's Island, so he killed Epstein for revenge.
yeah.
That's a pretty smart theory. But the thing is,
Yeah, expand on that.
but I think it's like pretty intelligent because let's think about it. Out of all 5 of us, who's a child? Ahil, right?
Yeah.
And out of all of us, who's most likely to get molested other than Tanav?
Ahil. Yeah.
For sure.
Okay, I have a second point to add. That so like Epstein's quartership had like J written on it. Right?
Quadricep.
His quartership.
Oh god. Quadricep.
His quartership had J written on it. Who he was writing J? It's Ahil. Ahil is writing J. Okay, who he is not writing J? Because who he is not writing J? Because Epstein stole the J from Ahil and put it on his shirt.
Oh my god.
Epstein stole the J from Ahil and put it on the shirt, so Ahil isn't writing J. So therefore it must be Ahil who killed Epstein.
Oh wait, this is why Ahil is not on the Epstein files. He removed his photos right before they got leaked. Like, well, Ahil, what do you have to say for yourself?
I plead innocent. I'll see you in court.
What were you doing on the night of 7th June 2019?
If you want to speak to me, you have to speak to my lawyer, Arush.
Okay, Arush,
yeah.
come here. Okay, so Arush. So basically, Ahil has been accused of being on Epstein Island and then killing Epstein for revenge. Do you think you are being called upon to defend him as a lawyer? Ahil is pleading innocent. What do you say?
Your Honor, you wasn't even there.
No, but I was there though. I was literally on the island though. So like, what do you have to say for yourself?
Hold on. I'm going to defend Tanav. I mean, why were you on the island?
Oh, that's irrelevant, Your Honor. I would
why were you on the
I would
island?
like to delay that question. I can say that that is irrelevant
Invalid
to the
evidence
proceedings.
doesn't count in court.
I would say that's irrelevant to the proceedings, and I would like to say that Ahil was on the
If I said I was gay and I didn't hump a guy, does that mean?
Okay. Ignoring that. Okay, so what? Daksh, do you have? Daksh, why do you think that's rude?
That's just rude.
No, would you like to weigh in on the conversation?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Okay. What do you have to say?
What was the question? I was not.
Okay.
No.
Someone ask someone.
Yeah, okay. So,
Someone who's your favorite
someone's on the class right now. He has no idea what we're talking about.
Someone,
Okay.
Someone, what's a pedophile?
Okay, what's your top 5 pedophiles? Let's start with Ahil. Okay, new segment. Top 5 pedophiles of all time. Let's start with Ahil.
Remember the noob versus pro versus actor?
Yeah, so I'll say noob has to be Doctor disrespect. Pro has to be Diddy. Hacker definitely has to be Epstein, bro.
Oh, fair.
And who's going?
Who's God?
Ooh.
Bill Clinton.
Okay, that's Ahil's ranking.
Okay, Ahil's ranking.
Oh no, I'm the one asking.
Okay, fine. I'll do my ranking. So basically, okay, noob we have I'm gonna say with Vivek because he's never successfully groomed anybody. He's just like had conversations. Yeah, he's a complete noob. So with pro, I am gonna say, I think Dr. Disrespect was a bit more of a pro than Vivek. Right?
No. I disagree.
Okay, you know what? Yeah, no.
They were on the same level.
Yeah, no, Dr. Disrespect, get him out of here.
Vivek's over like.
I think, you know what? I think Donald Trump would be the pro over here.
Okay, fair.
What reason do you have to believe he's a pedophile?
Yeah, he just gave.
There's
Oh no, I mean
there's mountains of evidence.
Is that proof he's a pedophile?
Yeah. Okay, Epstein was his best friend for one.
Okay,
he has told a girl publicly that a 10-year-old girl that I'm gonna date you in 10 years. A 10-year-old girl.
Okay, he's a
And
weirdo, but I wouldn't say he's a pedo.
he sneaks into underage beauty pageant competitions, dressing rooms to like see the girls in it.
Okay, that's fucked up, but I.
Okay, no, this is my ranking. I'm putting Donald Trump at pro over here.
Okay, ready for it?
He's just too. I don't think he's enough to be like a hacker. Okay, so I'm gonna say Epstein is this is a controversial opinion. Hey, shut up. Okay, this is a controversial opinion. I'm gonna say that Epstein is a hacker. Epstein is not the god. Epstein is a hacker. And I'm gonna put Diddy at god. Okay, look. Epstein had so much government funding. He literally everybody was in on it, and he still managed to get caught. He still managed to get sentenced. He still managed to get murdered in prison. But the god Diddy, he had no support. He did that on his own. He had no government funding. He pulled it off himself. And you know what? He got off with only 4 years in prison. With everything he did, he got off with 4 years in prison. He is clearly above Epstein.
Okay, my ranking. Now. Okay, Noob. Okay, Noob has to go to Vigun, obviously. I think.
I think this is more fun.
Yeah.
You want to know the person?
Okay, Thanos saying the person. Hold on.
It is Simon Cowell.
I have no idea.
Oh, that British guy.
Oh, Britain got talent. Yeah.
Oh, that guy.
Yeah. You're the youngest person ever.
That's not okay. That's cancel.
Oh.
What is he even famous for?
He's not an actor. That's what I'm saying.
Cancel.
Oh, he's the judge. He's a.
Okay. Back to the ranking. Okay. Noob definitely has to go to Vivek. Right. He was never successful. He was never. He never.
Oh, but I remember back in SGPW we had Atharva at Noob. That's an argument.
No, but see, Atharva himself. Yeah, he's an honorable mention. He's an honorable. Yeah, okay. Pro has to go to EDP. Okay, hold on.
Oh, sleeper pick here.
Yeah.
No,
yeah.
I was gonna say that if you let me speak.
Okay. He is the most arguably iconic pedophile out there, right?
That's what I was arguing for.
Yeah, exactly. But to be honest, compared to the god and hacker over here, he's comparatively nothing, right? Okay. Here's my hacker pick. I think. Why is everyone so quiet?
Yeah, we're listening.
Okay, hacker pick has to be Diddy. Okay, I see this Satwik's argument on this one, but see the scale to match the god over here is just not matchable. I agree that God who I choose Epstein, by the way. Yeah, Epstein had the scale to back himself up. He's going to go down. If you ask who's going to go down in history more, I'd definitely say Epstein more than Diddy. Right?
I think, but the thing is,
that is Diddy.
The thing is, anybody you call people Diddy Bloods, you don't call people Epstein Bloods.
No,
Diddy Blood is like the name that's like synonymous with it. You know, anybody who's acting suspicious, that person's Diddy Blood. What is this Diddy Blood doing on the calculator?
Yeah. What's the next bar? Is blood Epstein?
Exactly.
Yeah, but Diddy.
The lyrics itself say that Epstein is higher than.
No, but the thing is, Diddy was so iconic that his very name became synonymous with the concept. You don't call people Epstein Bloods, you call people Diddy Bloods.
Okay.
He is so freaky that his very name became synonymous with the concept of someone freaky. I think that's enough to qualify him for God possession. Okay, wait, no, we need Sanjeev's answer.
No,
we need Sanjeev's answer.
Okay. Before I do it, I need to preface a little controversial statement. If you're a pedophile, okay, fine, respect. But
Naughty.
okay. Okay, but see, here we are. If you're gonna be a pedo, fine, whatever. Okay, that is you do you. But if you're gonna get caught, at least try to detest it, right? Let's think about the case of the EDP 455. Brother got caught. I just went to give her some cupcakes. But then you think of Vivek. Oh, that is disgusting. You're not a pedo. For that logic, Noob, Vivek.
I agree. I fully agree.
I feel like everyone agrees on Vivek.
Pro has to be the DP.
Okay.
Now God and hacker. There's some interesting picks here.
It's one of two people. I mean,
it's one of two
people. Yeah. We need to know what your opinion on the ranking is here.
See, Epstein is like a low-key pedophile. He's like kind of chill, but like
but Loki a chill one, yeah.
he's quite a low-key one. Whereas Diddy is all about that aura, man. And for that logic, I hate nonchalance. For that logic, Epstein is hacker, and God is Epstein. No, God is Diddy. God is Diddy.
Okay.
Okay, so God Diddy, hacker Epstein,
Okay.
pro EDP, noob Vivek, honorable mentions Atharva,
That's my
and
list, except you.
yeah. And I think Tana's gonna be up there one day.
Can I justify?
I think this is an extremely valid take here. I think this is a very arguable take.
Hold on, I'll add something to say.
Yeah, I think so. Epstein should be in the God.
Yeah, I
God
agree.
list.
I agree.
Like first Epstein case came out in 2012.
Yeah.
Right? He went to jail, but he like escaped. Not escaped. He got bail and all shit, right? And he again started his shit. Means he has a motivation.
You know another person that happened to? Diddy.
Okay, you know, I think the Epstein is going to go down in history.
So is Diddy.
Wait, no,
The thing is, two former presidents and one who's currently active.
Yeah, exactly.
They have gone to Epstein Island.
The sheer scale. The sheer scale.
Diddy's
of
still
Epstein.
alive. That he can
Epstein has been dead for 6 years.
Yo, but Diddy
But
is
he's still remembered. He's still remembered.
He is still
Diddy would
going
still be
strong.
remembered.
Diddy is still going strong. He is continuing unashamedly with his oil.
A dead man is matching Diddy's.
No, he's not matching.
Yes, he is.
Right
Yes, he
now.
is.
Bro, Diddy wasn't broke ass, bro. Epstein had a fucking island.
Yeah. Who will afford that much baby oil? Huh? Who will afford it?
He has a whole island.
1,000 liters of baby oil. No, more.
Way more.
Way more.
Unbelievably more. Probably 2.5 times more.
That's all I'll say.
25k liters.
Epstein probably controlled like 10 billion barrels of oil, bro.
He had a dedicated mansion with like 1 billion rooms in it, all for different kids to get molested.
That might have been a bit
Fiddle.
too loud, yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, Epstein had an entire island for that. He had
Yeah.
a fucking
Okay,
mansion.
Have you
Okay,
seen that
whole
stupid
island.
There's just one house in that stupid
But
island.
have you seen the backers that Epstein had? He had Donald Trump, he had Bill Clinton.
he still got caught. He
That's
still got
two
caught.
presidents of the United States right there. How many terms did Bill Clinton have? I think he had
why
2
is
terms, right?
Goldman
Yeah. He was,
Yeah, they were combined. They had 16 years in office. You know who Diddy had? He had himself.
He had nobody.
He had nobody.
Or of Diddy.
He had some celebrities that he blackmailed. He forced their support out of them. You know what Epstein had? He got willing support. He got Donald Trump. He got Bill Clinton. He got 16 years worth of US presidency in there.
And Diddy is also smart, dude. Baby oil hides evidence.
Also, Diddy's aura. Have you seen those white uniforms at the party?
Oh yeah, dude.
We are ranking.
But did he molest Justin Bieber? I'm not going to stop.
Yeah, you guys know the theory that Bill Clinton actually planned the assassination, murder of Jeffrey Epstein.
Exactly, yeah.
John F. Kennedy.
Yeah, because if he didn't kill Epstein, Epstein was gonna leak everything. That Bill Clinton, he's like a low-key chill pedophile. Yeah, he's low-key chill man. Yeah. That's what.
I do feel like
His own people wanted to kill him because he was so goated.
Also, did
His
you know?
own people wanted to kill him because he was so bad. He got caught and he was going to spill. He was a rat. He was going to spill on everybody.
He was right. And
he
not
was
to
a
mention,
rat.
there are videos of him hugging children. Name one video of Epstein hugging a child. Impossible.
No, Epstein is there. It's there.
that just means
Yeah,
he's
it's there.
better
Yeah, where?
CCTV
Open Gmail in your phone. No, actually open Gmail.
Gmail.
No, it's basic.
Gmail, you can see Jeffrey Epstein's emails, like in the email.
Diddy has balls. Diddy has an entire.
Oh my God.
Diddy has every single famous musician under his waistband. Everyone in the music industry is filling his balls, and in such a generation, when you're capable of exposing anybody, cancel culture is bigger than it ever has been. Cancel culture has been bigger than it has ever been. Jeffrey Epstein didn't get cancelled, Diddy did.
You know, Epstein testified that he couldn't go 2 hours without gooning. Could you? Yeah.
Bye, Daksh.
Bye, Daksh. Yeah.
Bye, Daksh.
Yeah. Do you think Diddy could have gooned every day in 2 hours? Like,
I think he.
once
I think
every
he's
2
done
hours.
worse. Have you seen? Let's think about the. Okay. Let's do.
No,
Let's do a graph. Let's draw a line chart. Children fiddled versus liters of baby oil used. Okay. so think about it.
I've seen Diddy clearly had more baby oil.
No.
Baby also.
The thing is, the Diddy parties. Let's say the average length of a Diddy party was say 4 hours. 4 hours before
I think that's valid.
it descended into just like a all-out blast.
Valid, probably.
Before
I'd
that,
say the regular parties. were like
You know
4 hours.
Epstein
and then
the Diddy parties, the evil
People
parties.
used to go there for weeks, days. Bro, Diddy party like a couple of hours.
No.
Epstein Island
Yeah.
I think we need to no. See, the thing is,
Perfect time.
Diddy is like, he's like a mom and pop store. You know, he's like.
No. Satvik, justify that initial
Okay,
statement.
so Diddy didn't really have much back. Epstein is like a multinational corporation. He's like Amazon. He has billions, trillions of dollars being invested in him. He's like Apple. So the thing is, who produces better goods? Would you rather trust a multi-trillion-dollar corporation who only wants more money, or would you rather trust the local store down the street who makes handmade goods with love?
Handmade goods with love. Handmade goods.
Handmade
little
goods with
children.
love.
And
Would you be happy or sad? What would you be?
Happy and sad, but
no, that's the wrong thing. Oh
yeah,
God.
no, the
you
thing is,
fucked it.
wait, no, sorry.
Yeah.
What's your question? Can you repeat that question?
Would you be happy but poor or rich? Fuck, I messed it up, guys. I'm so sorry.
Okay, do it again.
Would you be happy but sad or rich but poor?
I would rather have dinner with Jay-Z over here.
Good answer.
Jay-Z probably has been to Epstein Island.
Probably.
Yeah,
No. Jay-Z was so much more in the Diddy space. Like the whole Jay-Z beyond. Jay-Z is literally Diddy's #1 fan.
Bye, Tana.
Bye, Tana. No, remember that whole thing with the Beyonce she knows? That's literally like Jay-Z's wife. Like Jay-Z and Beyonce are like the Diddy couple, you know?
They are the Diddy couple. No, think about
What
it.
do you have to say?
I have another thing to add. Epstein Island. Okay, we can agree that Epstein Island was much bigger than Diddy's mansion was, right?
Yeah.
Can you agree with that?
Yeah, that's a fair point. Yeah.
Think about now. Let me ask you this: when you say density of something,
Oh, that's
whatever has, there's a lot more children. No, wait, sorry. There's a lot more children in a lesser amount of area in the Diddy mansion than the Epstein Island. No, there was more children in the Diddy.
Yeah, it's the molality of kids.
Yeah, molality of kids. Number of kids per liter of baby oil.
Yeah, number of kids per liter of baby
Pass it
oil.
to us.
Bye, Tanav.
Bye, Tanav.
Okay. Diddy probably got those kids. He probably kidnapped them or did something, right? You know, the people Epstein got, right? Those people used to get their friends also. Have you seen how influential Epstein was?
Diddy was as
And also, you had to convince a bunch of kids to go to a whole separate island. Like, it's easier to convince a bunch of kids to go to a separate mansion. It's harder to convince them to go to a whole separate
I
island.
disagree with that.
How?
Here, let me tell you. Would you rather get free food for life, or would you rather get free food for life in a house or free food for life in a mansion?
I would rather get dinner with Jay-Z and Jay-Z's on Diddy sets or Diddy wins.
Okay, I think Expedition 33 wins this award for sure.
I don't think he gets reference.
That's dad is coming, right? So okay, so everyone is going. Who is most parent are coming? No one's parent.
Our dad is there in the park.
Already there.
Oh, yeah, should have paused.
Oh, it's not paused. That's not gone.
Yeah, no, you should have paused.
Yeah, okay. Okay,
This
so
might be the worst.
the thing is, Epstein is a nobody. Well, think about it. He's
a nobody.
Epstein is a random financier. Epstein is a random financier. Diddy is like one of the biggest rappers of all time.
You know, Epstein actually rose to fame. Epstein was a maths teacher. Physics.
He studied physics at school.
He studied.
I see that exactly.
He dropped out. He only did it for 2 years. That's what is that nonsense?
Yeah, so did Bill.
He dropped out to pursue the grind to become.
So did Bill Gates. He also dropped out, but he founded Microsoft. Right? Yeah. But then Diddy, right? I mean, sorry. Diddy,
What's
right?
that Hanuman guy? I think Stocky is
What's that
Hanuman
Hanuman guy?
Yeah, I think that is.
Is the year bit.
Guys, Diddy, right? He had to get famous to get people. But in
He
Epstein,
was an industry plant, by the way. Confirmed.
bro, Epstein controlled the fucking world, bro. Epstein
was the industry.
Epstein was the industry. Epstein controlled the whole world.
What industry?
The entire
Money
political.
Epstein industry.
political
The Epstein industry.
Wait, since
Guys, if Jeffrey Epstein dies, which industry do you think is
since
going
Epstein's
down?
death, which industry has suffered the most?
I would say the Epstein industry.
I look here.
Okay,
I think the island industry is up there. Too.
This industry is gone. Same
This is the worst thing ever. Can we end this now?
Yeah, I like this conversation. Like, look.
I like the conversation, but can we end the podcast?
Can we continue?
Yeah, okay, sure. Yeah, sure.
Okay. I think we are gonna continue this conversation, but end the podcast now.
Oh, we've arrived at school. I think. Yeah, I think it's time to wrap up.
It's time to wrap up, man, guys.
Yeah, it was fun. This is Southwick wrapping up episode 2 of the Bihari Bird Circus podcast.
This
See you
was a
next
bit
time.
more chill
Thank you very
compared
much.
to this was more chill compared to the last one.
The other one was like crazy.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
we were
but
trying
then,
too hard before, man.
this was an actual conversation.
Yeah, we got some clips for SDFN too.
Yeah, this one was more clip worthy, I'd say.
Oh, we need to put like the.
Oh wait, should I end it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you guys.